International Airport in Hanoi, Vietnam. The local time now is 35 minutes past the hour of 12 midnight. And for your information, there is an hour time difference between Manila, Philippines and Hanoi, Vietnam, Hanoi being behind. The ground temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hindi matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kumuha ng inyong mga kagamitan. Nais na namin ipaalam sa inyo na paggamit ng mga patingguran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by your flight deck crew, Captain Saho and First Officer O'Malley, together with the in-flight cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.